There are billions of dollars of projects planned for Queensland in the coming years, providing a substantial economic boost to the state. Many significant mining and resource projects have already been approved in areas such as the Surat Basin, Gladstone and North Queensland, which requires the employment of many people and provision of products and services by suppliers. To ensure maximum involvement in the construction and ongoing operation of these projects, the Queensland Government introduced the Local Industry Policy. This policy helps project owners identify opportunities within their projects that could be fulfilled by local suppliers and businesses. And since being introduced, it has helped secure over $5 billion for local suppliers. The Queensland Government funds the Industry Capability Network in Queensland, a division of QMI Solutions, to assist project owners develop plans to maximise local suppliers' involvement in these projects. For a supplier to be successful in winning work on a project, they must be able to meet the expectations of project owners in a number of ways. The Industry Capability Network, known as ICN, also helps local suppliers achieve this by benchmarking a supplier's capability against key criteria provided by the project owner. This activity is the Queensland Government's supported Major Project Supplier Program. The Major Project Supplier Program, or MPSP, is for manufacturing and manufacturing-related companies serious about improving business capabilities and aspiring to successfully supply to major projects. The program was developed by ICN based on the results from a number of comprehensive surveys commissioned by the Queensland Government, asking project owners and managers to define the attributes of an ideal supplier. There are 44 criteria in the program covering issues ranging from safety management, quality control and environmental management to project communications. These criteria are then used to assess the company and provided with a comprehensive report which includes the assessment results, a gap analysis identifying opportunities for improvement, and an action plan addressing these issues. This places the company in a better position to address project requirements in its tender submissions and to move the company forward in becoming more competitive by implementing the action plan. To date, over 320 companies have been through this process, with many experiencing tangible benefits, such as Beehive Vinyl Products won over $280,000 worth of work on shade sales for the Willows Shopping Centre and other projects the MPSP helped them win. PPW Steel won over $10 million worth of work on the Gateway Upgrade, Ipswich Motorway Upgrade and the Centenary Highway to Carroll Park Upgrade. EHS Manufacturing won $480,000 worth of work on the BMA Saraji mine and modifications on a sugarcane harvester. Noja Power Switchgear won work worth $3 to $4 million on the Airport Link Northern Busway project. Managing Director Neil O'Sullivan says the MPSP has had real benefits for Noja Power Switchgear.
My name is Neil O'Sullivan. I'm Managing Director of Noja Power. Noja Power is a specialist manufacturer of low and medium voltage switchgear products that we export to 80 countries around the world.
Why did you choose to be part of the MPSP program?
We chose to be part of the MPSP program because we wanted to develop our major project capability to service infrastructure investment that was going on in Queensland in particular. The program allowed us to do that, and as a result, we were able to secure major contracts for some of the significant infrastructure investment that's been happening in Queensland over the last few years.
What was involved in the process?
The process was really an audit process where an experienced industry expert came and conducted significant audits around the company. Our senior management team were involved and we looked at our strengths and weaknesses across our business. It helped in particular to identify our weaknesses and improve on them.
What did the MPSP do for Noja Power?
Well, in particular, the MPSP helped us develop our major project capability to be able to win local infrastructure business in particular. Whenever you have an industry expert come in and look at your company, what you're actually looking to do is improve upon your weaknesses. And in our particular case, it helped us identify our weaknesses and improve on them.
Can you please give us an example?
Well, in particular, one of the major projects that we won as a result of improving our capabilities was the Airport Link and Northern Busway Tunnel projects. And in that particular project, we manufactured more than 500 switchboards over a 1-year period with critical delivery times. And the major project capability that we developed as a result of this program allowed us to deliver that project on time. The total value of the Airport Link Northern Busway project was in the order of $3.5 to $4 million.
Would you say the process has increased your capability to bid for future tenders?
Absolutely. The MPSP program has definitely allowed us to increase our capability to be able to bid future major project tenders.
Would you recommend the program?
We'd certainly recommend the program for anyone that's looking at developing their company's capability through an audit process, identifying their weaknesses in order to be able to participate in major projects.
To participate in the MPSP, companies must be headquartered in Queensland, be an SME, $2 million to $65 million turnover and less than 200 employees, be operating for more than 2 years, not be part of a larger group or controlled by a larger organisation, either be a manufacturer or provide a manufacturing-related service, meet the Queensland Government's local content definition in the local industry policy. To find out more information, contact ICN. The MPSP is a Queensland Government-supported initiative.